Good morning to everyone. In the last class, we have discussed about this group by functionality, but yesterday I have um, explained a bit wrongly. Here, we are looping the internal table and group by we are using and key one, key two like that we have to use, and after that one group size is okay, index is there, right? So what I have explained yesterday, index is nothing but the sales document number at which line it is starting, it will contain that line number, right? So that is wrong here. So the index will contain like what is the uh, uh, grouping number. For example, sales document number 123, it is containing 4 line items. Okay, so it will loop 4 times. System will consider like one group, right? So that is the group one. Next sales document number 124 is coming. So for 124, 6 items are there. So it will loop 6 times here. Okay. So here the group index. Okay. The group index is 2 here. Second group. Okay. After 124, 125 sales document number is there. So for that 125 sales document number, 3 line items are there. Okay. So 3 times it is looping here. Okay. The index number is 3 here. It's just grouping index number, not the line number. Okay, that is my mistake. So coming to today's concept, something cross join. Okay, cross join. We already know about this right outer join, left outer join, inner join. So these all things we already checked those things, but this cross join. SAP has introduced this one, okay, in 7.4 onwards. Okay, so how it will work? See, I have two tables, table one and table two, two tables, and I have some field one, field two, field three, field four, like that. I have 4 fields here. So field one, okay, sorry, in the first row, okay, one and 000 something, the record is there. Okay, so it will go to table two. So there is no condition. There is no condition. Common fields is not there. Okay, linking fields are not there. Just this record will go to this table to first record. Okay, and it will match these two records. Here field one is 1 and field 2 is 000 is there, and here field 3 is English and field 4 is material. Okay, so it will pick all the data. Okay, so the first record will pick all the data from second table. So that's what I'm mentioning here. So field 1, field 2, field 3, field 4. So it is mapping. The first record is mapping with all records. For example, in table 2, 100 records I have. Okay, so it will map with 100 records. It will map with 100 records. So field 1, 000, English and material. And the second record is, this is a Germany. So the Germany language is different here. So same thing I am mentioning here. On a second record, in the first table, second record is coming. So in this second record is also will map with all records. Okay, this second record also map with all records in second table. Okay, here total 2 records are there, so those 2 records I'm maintaining it here. Okay, in real time we may use this in some scenarios like um, we will maintain some servers, right? In the development only we will maintain some 800, sorry, 200 and 210 or 220, like that. We will maintain the servers here, clients we will maintain here. Okay, 200 is of purely development and 210 is for testing. Yeah, someone is asking question. Okay, okay, I'm maintaining something servers, so 200 and 210, like that. I'm maintaining the servers, right? So at that time the tables are client dependent, means So in 200 client, whatever the data is maintaining, the data will not affect in 210 client. Even though this is the same server, I mean development server only, but client is different here. So at the time, the 200 server, the 200 client, the data will not affect in the 210 client, right? Sometimes the requirement will come like, I want to get to know all the message informations. Okay, I want to get to know all the message informations in every system. Okay, I have 200, 210, 220 like that. I will maintain some 2-3 servers, 2-3 clients in the development system. Okay, so I will maintain something description for one message number in 210 client. So same description may not available in different client. So I want to pick all the information here. So in this case, this cross join may use here. Okay, and other than that one, I have checked in many blogs, many places. I did not find any uh, exact real-time scenario like that. Okay, I will try to create that program on cross joins. Okay, here select MANDT. So this is the client number. Okay, client number will come here, and this is the language, and ARB, I think GB, I think so, and MGN message number and text. Okay, so I'm fetching something data. So these two fields from two T000 table, and these three fields from T100 table. Okay, so I will do the cross join here from T000. Yes, I will maintain like, otherwise I will maintain. I'm not giving any alias name here, and cross join T100. Okay, and into table. Okay, so I will maintain here up to 100. It will display a lot of records here. Okay, but I am just maintaining up to 100 records here. Okay, up to 100 rows. Now check it. Is there any syntactical error? No. Right. Right. Let me activate it. Breakpoint. Activate it and execute it here. And if we double click on this LT underscore final, we will see something records here. See, so they are maintaining the server information, client information, like 000 they are maintaining, 810, 100, 200, 801. So this is a development system only, but they are maintaining this many of clients here. Okay, so in each client, it is going to the message information. Okay, this is a message number. So in 000, the message number 001 is there. So they are maintaining the description like this. Okay, so blank entry ignore something in 18 also. So they are maintaining the same thing. They're maintaining the text like this. Maybe chances are there like in 000 they will maintain something description here. In 810 they may maintain some different description. Okay, in 100 they may maintain some different description. So if you want to get to know that type of information, this cross join will work here. But here they are maintaining the all the they are maintaining same information in all clients, same information in all clients, so the data is not changing anything here. Okay. But in real time we will use this cross join in this way. Okay, if there is no, here I am not giving any condition on condition like that, because I am not giving any condition. I want to map all the records from table 1 to table 2. So that's why I am not giving any on condition. Okay, so this is the cross join and some more uh, statements like I have something internal table. Okay, so here I'm just maintaining something. I'm fetching something data from KN1 table and keeping in the internal table. So let me activate it. Fine, this is fine. And now if we want to add something, if we want to modify something data, okay, so let me activate and execute the program, and I will take something data in the debugging. So LTKN1 is there. So now here you double click here. So for the customer number 198 all 03. Okay, so for this number I want to give something, the name. Okay, here US is coming here, so I don't want to display here US. I want to take something name here. Okay, so for that one, how can we write the logic? Okay, so here we need to read the data, right? Read table syntax, and after that one we have to modify the data. So uh, in between of that one size of RC. So these all things we have to write here, right? So instead of that one, we can go like this, like the internal table name is LTK, LTK1, right? And here I am giving something condition Kunwar is equal to, I have copied the customer number, right? And after that one here, I want to change the name for name one, right? Name one is equal to, I am maintaining, okay, I'm just maintaining the name here. So let me check it here, how it is working here. Just check it and activate it and execute it. Now double click on this internal table LTKNA1, and if we check the customer number 198 all zeros 3, so this is second record, the name is changing here. Okay, not required any internally it is modifying the data. Okay, internally it is modifying the data. Not required any modify syntax like that. Okay, and one more functionality is switch operator. It will work like I'm giving something parameter here. parameters p and the square, something document type I will give vbt by p. Okay, sales document type I'm giving here, and the requirement is if this is document type is A, then I want to pick the inquiry. If it is B, then quotation. If it is C, then order. So like that, I have to take the information. Okay. Now I will declare one variable here, data lv underscore type. Okay. Type. This is I will maintain like character 30. Okay. Now I will write the logic like lv underscore type is equal to, and here I am writing switch operation here, switch, and the field name is p underscore vbt by p. Okay, so based on this one we are doing the operation here, and here when I'm taking a here, if it is a, then I want to pick the inquiry. Okay. And if it is b, then I want to pick something quotation. Okay. If it is c, then I will maintain like order. Okay, and I will close this brace here. Check it here. Syntactically, this is correct. Okay, fine. So normally we will do like if, else if, else if, else if, like that. We will write the conditions. In I mean, I'm fetching something data. Okay, just here I have maintained something parameters, but in real time, how we will get the data? We will get the data in the internal table. So after that one, we need to consider if the order type is A is equal to, if order type is equal to A, then I have to consider it as the inquiry. Okay, in the looping statement, I have to update it here. So at that time, it will be very helpful. Okay, instead of uh, if else if like that, it will be very helpful here. Okay, let me check the syntactical any errors are there. Activate it and execute it. Okay, and here I'm just giving A here. Okay, so what is the type here? Type is inquiry. Okay, so whatever we are giving in ABC, the automatically it will change to that inquiry quotation order like that. Okay, instead of if and if, we can use the switch operator. Okay, so you can use anything, switch operator you can use, or you can use uh, that if else if like that also you can use. So whatever it is, you can use anything here. But so this is the performance little bit better compared to that one if else if like that. Okay, and something like condense. Okay, I'm taking something variable here, lv and square something name I'm taking here. Okay, so the name I'm maintaining like something space I'm giving here, and x I'm giving here, or yy I'm giving here, and after that one I'm maintaining Sri Janani Foundation. Okay, now if we apply something condense, okay, if we apply any condense, then whatever the space is there in the starting or the ending, whatever the space is there, it will remove the space. Okay, I'm applying the condense here. What I have written here, Now LV underscore name1 is equal to, okay, LV underscore name1 is equal to condense of, okay, condense of the LV underscore name. Let me check. I think this is the key field. Correct, only fine. Activate it and execute it here. So if you see the name on here, so whatever the space is coming in the LV underscore name, here something space is coming before starting the name. Something space is coming. So that space it will remove here in the starting and the ending also. Okay. So here also something space is there. So that one also it will remove here. Okay. So whatever the space it will remove that one. Fine. Now here I have maintained something YY like that in the starting and the ending also I have maintained like that, but I don't want that one also here. Okay, I have to remove that unwanted something letters. So something starting letter I have entered something, or in the ending I have entered something. So I have to remove that one also. So in that case, so name to I'm maintaining here. Okay, and in this LV underscore name, I'm just condensing the value, and after that one, I have to delete that YYY is there, right? So for that one, I will write, right? Sorry. So so we have something done something mistake here. 1 minute. Something value thing is equal to. Let me check the syntax. Okay, val is there, not value. Let me check the syntax. Fine. Activate it and execute it here. Okay. Oh, sorry. Now, if I double click on this name too, okay, name too, it is coming like okay, fine, condense. Okay, I'm using this one now. Okay, fine. So, so system how it is considering here. Here I'm just double clicking on name too, and here it is not deleting YYY here because before YY something space is there, right? So we have to remove that one first of all, and after that one we have to delete this one. Okay, here value is equal to something name LB underscore name I am taking. Okay, means it will come here. Okay, system will consider this one, and here I am just telling to the system delete YY. Okay, Y is there. If something Y letter is there in the starting or ending of that that value variable, you need to delete that one. But here something space is there. Okay, so first of all we need to remove that space. Okay, in this LV underscore name one I have already removed the space. Okay, instead of this LV underscore name I will pass LV underscore name one. Okay, so in LV underscore name one I already removed the space. Now activate it and execute it here. You see this LV underscore name two. Okay, here YY is removing here because this one I am telling to the system delete is equal to Y. Okay, if something Y is there in this variable in the starting or ending, it will remove that one. Yeah, someone is asking question. Agree? Okay, fine. Now here in this uh, in this variable, okay, stage journey foundation is coming here in this LV underscore name two. Okay, instead of something here J is there. Okay, instead of J, I want to replace. Okay, I want to replace with any other letter. Okay, at that time, what I have to do here? So in the same thing only here, what is the letter? So the letter is J here. Okay, the letter is J here, and uh, instead of that J, what I have to pass? I have to pass something M. Okay, here J is coming. Instead of J, I need to pass something M. In the total, here I will take something JJ like that for your understanding. Okay, so instead of J, wherever the J is there, instead of J, I have to pass M here. Okay, and is equal to, and 2 is equal to, so I will maintain like this. So from J, I want to replace with M. Okay, let me check it here, activate it here, execute it here. LV underscore name too. So here J was there, right? So but instead of the J, it is coming like M. Okay, and here also M is coming. Okay, and let me increase the size for this one. Here only one M is coming, but here I have how many? One, two, three. Three J's are there, but here only one M is coming. Let me increase something size here. No, it should not come like that. Let me add in between. Let me activate it, execute it, LV underscore name too, and here okay, okay. System is considering like, so continuously I am maintaining something double J here, and here also triple J I am maintaining here, right? So how many J's are there? So there is no issue, but it is considering only one. I mean, instead of three J's, instead of four J's, it is considering only one M here. So that's what it is coming. Okay, so I did not check that one till now. Uh, in very rare cases, we will use this one. I mean, in any support project, we will see this type of syntaxes. Okay, something condense is there. Condense means in, I mean, before 7.4, only space will remove, right? So, but here in this condense, something extra they have added, but we don't know. So, what is the exact use of this one? So, for that purpose, I'm explaining it here. Okay, so here something triple J is there, and here four J's are there. Instead of that one, it is replacing with only one M here. Okay. Okay, that is not the size issue. That is the standard functionality. Okay, so this is the condense, and here I have used the speech, right? So instead of speech, you can, I mean, we can use something one more uh, option here. Okay, so instead of switch we can use something condition. Okay, COND also we can use here. So let me copy it and paste it here. Okay, different developers will write the code in different ways. Okay, instead of this switch operation, someone will use the condition. Okay, so they will use like COND. So at that time they have to write like, Okay, let me check it here. Okay, declaration, I have missed it here. Parameter as well, and the variable also. Just check it and activate it. Okay, and execute it here. So I am just passing a here, just execute it here. And now if you see this LVN square type, inquiry is coming here. Okay, so switch also we can use, and some condition also we can use, and if and end if also we can use, and case and case also we can use. Different options are there. Okay, so in support project we will get this type of things, so we should not struggle at that place. So this is also one place, I mean this is also one a feature. Okay, so instead of if and if, we can use some condition operator here. Okay, and in Open SQL maximum I have covered, but I mean lot of Open SQL statements will be there, but mostly whatever we are using in real time, so those things only I have picked it here. Okay, and something. Okay, and here I will use something reduce operator also, one more operation. We will see somewhere it here in the real time projects. So reduce operator, how it will work. So I will fetch something data. Select VBAK VBELN NETWR from VBAK into table at the data of LTVBAK. Okay, let me check it. Okay, here in the sales document number, I mean in the sales header information, the sales order number and the net value. Okay, the price I'm just maintaining in the internal table here, and I want to get total price. Okay, how many sales orders are there? For example, up to 10 rows. Okay, I'm just maintaining up to 10 rows here. So in these 10 rows, how many sales document numbers are there and how many net price is there? Okay, so total net price I want to get into one variable. So for that one, we need to loop the internal table, and we have to take one variable, something LVN square NETWR is equal to this work area NETWR plus. So like that we have to write the code. So instead of that one, so we have one function here, data of LV square NETWR, okay, is equal to here, that operation name is reduce something, yeah, reduce, and here hash I will maintain it here, and here I'm just initiating something value, something x is equal to 0. I will initiate the value to this one, and I will let you know. So what I'm writing, I will let you know. I'm using something for loop here for work area in LT underscore VBAK. Okay, here I will maintain something work area VBAK. Okay, and next x is equal to x plus work area VBAK hyphen NETWR. Okay, so let me check the syntactical error. Is there any error? Fine. Here what I'm writing, reduce operator I'm writing here. So instead of looping the statement and end loop, and we have to use this syntax x equal to x plus work area VBAK NETWR like that. So it will take some time here. Okay, each and every record it has break, and here in a single shot the data will come here. Okay, so what I'm writing, so I'm declaring something variable as x here. Okay, so externally not required to declare it. Okay, so if we use this one init initiating, okay, automatically it will declare it here, and we cannot use this x variable outside of this line. Okay, only in this line only we have to use. After that one we should not use. Okay, initiating x is equal to 0. So by default, x is the variable. Automatically it will declare it here. And I'm using something for loop. Okay, you already know about for loop. In the previous classes, we have explained it. Okay, so in the for work area in LTVBAK. So this is the internal table. I'm getting the data in this internal table. Okay, and this is the work area. And this work area is also, we should not use outside of this line. It will work here only, and the declaration also automatically will come here. Okay, not required to declare anywhere. Fine, so I'm looping this one. So for looping is coming here. Okay, for looping is coming here. So after the first loop, okay, after the first loop, the x is equal to x plus netwr. Okay, so what I'm initiating here, x is equal to 0. Initially the value will be 0 here. Okay, 0 plus the first record netwr. Just example, 100 is there. 0 plus 100, 100 will come. Okay, fine, it will come to here. Next second loop, for loop is coming. Okay, second record, so it will come to the second record. Already the value is equal to 100 is there for x, so x is equal to x plus something netwr, means 100 plus second record is 300, total 400 will come. Okay, so let me check in the debugging how it is working here, and click and execute it here. Oh, it's already executed. 1 minute. I will keep breakpoint here, execute it here. Okay, so if I want to see step by step, okay, step by step, I will do like this. And next is equal to, okay, the debugging, the internal table, the values will come the single screen, right? Execute it here now. I will keep the breakpoint here and execute it here. See, the class will disconnect in 1 minute. Please reconnect it once again. And now, so if I want to check line by line, I mean step by step,